Do you want to change your ESPN Fantasy password? In this video, I will show you how. First of all, launch open the ESPN Fantasy app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now log into your account. On the home page, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Scroll down and select Account Information. Now you have the option of Edit/Delete account. Go ahead and tap on that. It will now take you to this page. Here you have the password option, select that. Now you will have to choose a new password. Go ahead and enter it. Once you have entered the password, tap on the save and continue option. And with this, your password has been successfully changed. Tap on continue. Now you can head back to the app, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.